There is something happening on YouTube right now, and most creators have no idea it's even happening. Every day, thousands of small channels are suddenly blowing up, going from a few views to thousands of views. Some call it luck, others think it is the algorithm. But what if I told you there is a hidden tool available to everyone that is quite powering those viral creators? A tool so powerful, it can write your video's titles, find your keyword, craft your description, generate ideas, and even predict what your audience wants to watch next. Sounds so impossible, right? But it's not science fiction. I will reveal the name soon. Most YouTubers are still struggling trying to guess what the algorithm wants, chasing trends that die in a week and burning out in the process. But a small group of creators are doing something completely different. They are using AI not to replace creativity, but to multiply it. They use powerful AI tools to plan their content calendar, write irreplaceable hook, and optimize every single upload for search and retention. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you now. Welcome to Luzero Media, where we uncover the hidden strategies, tools, and the system that help creators grow smarter, faster, and stronger. If you have ever wondered how some channels seems to explode out of nowhere, this video will open your eyes. Because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn this tool into your personal YouTube growth engine, the same way top creators are already doing in 2025. But here is the twist. This is not just about AI. It is about understanding how to ask the right question, the prompt, the mindset, and the creative system that separate the ones who grow from the one who fades away. So before you scroll away, take a deep breath, because what you are about to learn could completely change the way you create content forever. Ready? Let's begin. Alright, let's dive into it. The name of the app is ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can do everything you want on YouTube. Let's go. Okay, dive into your Play Store and download ChatGPT. Dive into your Play Store and get ChatGPT. I already have it, so I will just open my own. It has opened. So what you have to do now? What you have to do? For instance, you want to create keyword. For instance, you want to create keyword for your video or maybe for your channel. Right now, maybe you want to create keyword for your channel. Like, as let me take for example, your niche is how to grow on YouTube. What you have to do now is to tell ChatGPT to create a very good keyword for you and description. Let's see how it goes. Just watch. You will just command it. Let's go. Just watch and see. Alright, as you can see, I've told ChatGPT to create a wonderful channel description that is SEO friendly. My channel name is Luzero Media. Can you see that? You saw what I wrote. You will direct ChatGPT to create a very good description for you. Let's see. Then you click on this black dot, this black arrow that is showing up. Hope you are seeing what he's writing, right? So see what he said. Here is an SEO friendly YouTube channel description for Luzero Media. Make sure you tell ChatGPT the name of your channel. Then this now, if you did not like this one, you can still tell ChatGPT to rewrite it. So after writing this, you can copy this. You can copy it like I've copied. Then you go to your channel description and paste it. Then you can still tell ChatGPT to still write tags for you for your channel. So after writing the tags, if ChatGPT don't put comma, you can tell ChatGPT to add comma for you so that you can paste it on tag section of your YouTube channel. You understand me? So you can command ChatGPT to even suggest title for you. Title, maybe you finish creating a video and you don't know the title that you want to give the video. Just tell ChatGPT that you have created a video that is teaching people uh, like how to get 1,000 subscribers or so. ChatGPT will suggest like 5 to 10 different titles for you. ChatGPT can help you do many things on YouTube so that you will not stress yourself much. Please, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel and God bless you.